Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a no-risk solo farming method for arc traders. If you want to collect Bastion and Bombardier cells fast all by yourself without dying or taking heavy damage, this guide is for you. Farming in arc traders can be tough if you're always playing with random teammates. Sometimes people die, mission fails, or enemies overwhelm you. So I'm going to teach you how to do it alone, safely and repeatably. First, pick a mission or area where Bastion and Bombardier enemies spawn regularly. The key is to find a place with predictable spawn points, good layouts for cover, easy paths to kite enemies. When you pick the right area, it makes the farming method much easier. Next, your gear. You want weapons that can quickly take down Bastion and Bombardier enemies without exposing yourself. Here's what I recommend: a fast firing primary weapon with good accuracy, a secondary with burst damage, armor mods that increase survivability. Don't use super slow, heavy weapons, you need mobility. Now, the most important part: how you engage enemies. Instead of rushing in, you have to pull one enemy at a time, draw them to a safe spot, use cover and movement to avoid getting hit. Take them out quickly. This way, you never fight more than one at once and you don't take dangerous hits. Sometimes groups will spawn. When that happens, back away to a better spot. Use high ground or narrow corridors, let them come to you so they bunch up. Take out the priority targets first as well. You want to stay alive, so that's the biggest priority. Once you clear the enemies in the area, it's time to reset and loop your farm. Go back to the spawn trigger, let enemies come again and repeat the same process. This method works every run if you stick to one by one pulling, using cover and safe positioning. So yes, that's it. A no risk solo farm method for arc traders to get Bastion and Bombardier cells faster and safer. If this guide helped you, like the video, comment your own strategies as well. Subscribe for more arc trader guides. Thanks for watching and happy farming.